ABC Educational Channel. Today let's have a speaking practice. Using daily use sentences at school. Are you ready? I like to sing at school. I like to sing at school. I like to build at school. I like to build at school. I like to eat at school. I like to eat at school. I like to read at school. I like to read at school. I like to plant at school. I like to plant at school. I like to listen at school. I like to listen at school. I like to play at school. I like to play at school. I like to write at school. I like to write at school. I like to study at school. I like to study at school. I like to cut at school. I like to cut at school. I like to practice at school. I like to practice at school. I like to draw at school. I like to draw at school. I like to run at school. I like to run at school. I like to paint at school. I like to paint at school. I like to train at school. I like to train at school. I like to dance at school. I like to dance at school. I like to think at school. I like to think at school. I like to exercise at school. I like to exercise at school. I like to learn at school. I like to learn at school. I like to go to school. I like to go to school. Thanks for listening.